appears to be putting his nose on the ground and pushing with his back feet. That's what he's doing. I tossed him off. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there it is. I found it. Y'all get off of here. This is my turn.
He's pushing it somewhere.
He's sticking his nose in the ground, pushing it with his back legs.
It's going to be hard when he gets on a brick. He's moved that thing the distance of that stick way over here. I'm going to come back and find this little bugger again. There's the brick, and there's him. Just him, by himself. Push that turd all that way. And he's still going. The ants are still following him. Maybe he's the lead ant.
Now get over that stick.
Now he's going to push it around it.
Looks like that's where he's going.
He's a smart little bugger.
Reckon those are his pet ants?
I don't know, that's what I was saying. Maybe he's the cam.
He dropped it.
Busy. A little jittery there for a second.
Now get off my turd. Look at it.
Is that a turd? Is that what that is? Is that a turd?
That's what it looks like.
Sorry for shaking. I tossed my cigarette.
Oh, it fell off.
Oh, he went backwards. Wonder where he's gonna end up.